Oh, uh, 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 I am live. I'm not able to see it. That is strange. I'm good on this end. I'm also in the chat. That's that's strange. All right, I cannot sing songs on YouTube. I have no clue if it's working or not. So, how do I? Somebody just followed me. Kindly add me on Discord. I'm not playing any game. No, not there is. I'm just there. I'm probably gonna code on this platform. I'm not sure if you're able to hear me at all. So do let me know if I'm audible in any source, way or form. I'm also testing this simultaneously on YouTube. So I'm trying to stream on YouTube. What's happening over here? I have no clue, but fine. It is what it is, right? All right, all right. I'm just gonna try and find my own stream somewhere. If I can, that is. I don't know if I can find it. Um, alrighty, guys, alrighty. You're able to see a bit more big. Oh, I can see I'm live. Oh, so yeah. I'll just put the link on YouTube. YouTube, how do I look YouTube? I have no clue if the chat comes in or not. Nobody's chatting. Nobody's chatting. That's good. It's good. Oh, I can see some hearts here and there. All right. Read. I will have to add some interactions. I have no clue how I sound. The lights is on. Already. It's absolutely horrible, horrendous, even uh, for my own standard. Alrighty, alrighty. We have these screens. Well, there's a stream together feature which I am no clue. How does that work? So yeah, am I live still? I have no clue. Hope I am. Also the light shit. I have no better lighting right now at my place. Okay, that should look good in terms of chat to. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. All right, I can then see chats also. And bring up my OBS. There are people watching me right now. I don't know who is watching me. Whoever you are. Am I following? I have no damn clue, man. Is it going good? Is it going bad? I have no damn clue. I see no drop streams right now. The quality looking good for both the platforms and mhm. I got shortcuts for my life. I got shortcuts. Yes, 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 yes. Mm-hmm. I need this kind of mm, what to put up breaks. I can start a break on YouTube and we can switch to the break room. It works. I can mute myself and go disappear. I should on some music for this, right? There should be some music for this page. This is just dead. Why is there no music for this? I'm gonna share this. Also gonna come over here and yo, yo, what's up? What's up, my dude? What's up? Why? Oh my God. I need to get my Twitch URL. How do I get it? How do I do that? What's up? I think it's good just to have uh there are people watching. I don't know who's watching. I am not able to get the chat for the life of me. So no clue who's watching. Somebody let me know who's watching. Am I even audible? I'm so lost in this whole tantrum of buttons and everything. Right? And I know I put a break. I don't know if the break breaks YouTube or makes YouTube. I have no absolute clue. I'm just posting some stories on WhatsApp for my people to know to join, and also on for my friends to join. Right? Um, how do I share it? How do I share? How do I share? How do I? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, Sakshi. I am not visible. Am I? I have no clue. I think I'm not. Yeah, now I'm visible. Yeah, I should be visible now. Hey, what's up? I'm just putting up a story on. All right, that's great. I'm just putting up a story on. What do you call this? Instagram. Just give me a minute. Nice. Yep. You could. You could. You could actually call. My screen's not visible everywhere, right? Okay, that's good. Same. It's been long time since you talked. I don't know. Yours? And on YouTube. And on that. We will put links on Instagram. Oh God. Oh God. It really godless. YouTube and Twitch. I forgot Twitch. Oh, so just to confirm, it's look good. It's looking good, right? Like आवाज सही से आ रही है. मैं obviously lighting is shit, but it's looking good. Do confirm, please. Okay, I did it. I posted it. I have no clue how do I sound. Well, there is no need for this, honestly, right now. Who's gonna get rid of it? I'm also just gonna disconnect it for now. I guess I can hold it. I'll go and start YouTube on my phone because that's what I do right now. Hey guys, okay, I'm not visible. Is that correct? I don't know. All right, let's go. Arey, arey guys, what's up? Get together. Uh, Bhai Saab, I'm lost. All right. I'm just setting things up because I have no clue how to. Okay, should be fine. Let it update. अरे I'm just figuring shit out. देख रहा हूँ मैं क्या करना हूँ. So planning to work on some AI agent shit. Do, 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 do. Thanks for joining, by the way. Uh, Also, my screen must not be visible. So this should fix it. I think, yep, it does. It does, yep. Alrighty. I have to also other me tablet. How do you split? How do you split? Thanks. Alright. Just Windows, go to device. How much should I do? 1 PMPM, NPM, NPM. Oh, NPM level should start it. Good night, Gala. Good night. Bye bye. Okay, we should have something starting here. Night, night. Good night, man. Do. Ah, the default agent. Yes, perfect. Playground is here. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Also, कोणीतरी confirm करा. Do I sound good? I have no clue how do I sound. I'll go to my face right now. Okay, back with the shit lighting. Mm, I'm gonna start something in the background so people can hear some music at least. Ah, the royalty free Spotify playlist for the savior. Would be like, is it good? Is it bad? I cannot hear shit. Hamster is Jamshedpur, I think. Yeah, वो घर visit कर रहा है. Is the music coming up? I'm not sure. Are you able to hear shit? I need lo-fi, lo-fi. Lo-fi. नहीं ना? Okay, wait. I'll switch the songs. I'll try to up the desktop volume. Just the desktop volume, but it's 100%. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm still not able to hear it. Maybe now. Okay, now it should be. All right. All right. I'll reduce it by a bit so it's in the background. Actually, do this and do this then. All right, that should be good. I think. Confirm. Anybody can confirm that. Perfect. Perfect. All right, we can then get started with the nerdy shit. Again, this is my brick. This is my face. This is my background. Yep. I'll just hide my. All right. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Alrighty. So, a couple of weeks back, I started learning about Mastra. I did nothing but went on a rabbit hole of learning Mastra, and I think I went over some example they have somewhere about notebook LM. I wanted to make my own notebook LM clone, but it's already there. And there's voice. This voice. All right. Also, I'm gonna try to learn about um, what do you call it? Neovim. So this is gonna be a bit technical, at least for the beginning part. We can always switch out to playing some games. I'm streaming both on Twitch and YouTube. I should just open my chat, right? Give me a minute. I'll just do that. I'll pop this out. Pop out chat so that I can have this shared view between the two, and then I can move these tape to a new window with this over here. And yeah, so should be good. Should be good. Alrighty. So last time I did nothing much. I just played around with the default tool and made some changes of my own. Made it work with altitude and latitude. And yeah, that's mostly it. Type agent Mastra. Okay, wait. Search files. That's a good thing. Okay. Yeah. And we got tools. Windows is slow. Because you find it slow on Windows. Telescope is slower. Yeah, we got another tool which was doing most of the mathematics, most of the work, doing the API call to the open metro system and shit, right? What's up? Search. I'll get the link. Yo. All right. Your location name was lettered out. Why is it commented out? And I need another display screen or something so that I can read my own goddamn chat. I'm not able to read my chat at all. I'll keep YouTube as the first one on my phone, just as a screen I can come and read if anybody does message me something over that, right? Okay, now I want to do something much more, right? I want to extend this tool, this agent to take a live stream, and I'll start it off slow. I'll just try to get into the groove of Mastra, the documentation open over here for agents and memory and stuff and stuff. Adding voice is something which I'm interested in, like allowing them to speak and stuff. It goes with opening a voice and something. Play I guess Play AI is free relatively. So yeah, it has a free tier from what I understand. I will have to log in into it, but yeah, it has a free tier and I can talk with it. So I want to just play around with this and see how it goes. Right? There's something which was added recently. A couple of weeks back when I was doing it, it wasn't there. And yeah, it looks good. It looked good. Ingest workflow. Alright, that's good. Next. So the framework has improved over just 2 weeks. Speech to speech. Oof. It uses OpenAI fallback to open key MM variable. Low. Alright, speaker. Alright. That's good. That's good. That's good. Now here comes the tricky part, right? I want to work with something like OpenCV, but on JS, not PS, working in TypeScript completely. Well, let's keep JS. Let's just keep. Or I can work with the web API, right? I can work with the web API, webcam API, JavaScript, right? And this is how I do it with Navigator, media devices, get user media. This will ask for permissions and stuff, and it will take care of things, right? So I want to work on something similar where I'm able to take in a photo of my user, and it should be able to analyze it or something, right? So let's start with explore. Let's start create a new tool. Let's touch this. Um, Face tool. Let's go that face tool. The PS. I can't touch. Ooh, can I echo into it?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
No.
You know, this is, excuse me, a damn fine cup of coffee.
How do I create? Wait. There's a Windows issue. There's a. Can I split this again? No. Duplicate it. No. No. Hmm. How do I create a wait, what's up? Alright, wait. Create a new file in neovim.
I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Every day, once a day, give yourself a present.
Edit command. You can do
Don't plan
edit.
it. Don't wait for it.
Oh,
Just let it happen.
okay. Let's try that.
Could be a
Let's
new
try that.
shirt from
Let's
the
try
men's
that.
store, a cat nap in your
Edit
office chair, or
face
2 cups of
tool
good
dot
hot
ts.
black coffee. Like this. A present. Like Christmas.
I hope it's the same location. Right, I'll just do this. Like console.log.
Man, that
Help.
is the spot. Nothing like a great cup of black coffee.
and I'll just save it. Save and quit. Oh, wait. No. Where is it? Wait, God damn it. It was media. No. No. RF. Okay, so this is not it. No. So I'm really lazy. I'm really lazy to get and yeah. Uh, I'm, I'm, percentage. That's interesting. Wait. Go here and I can do this. And I can name it piece dot here. And let's just do also the log. Code. Right. And semicolon for good measures. What? 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 Yes! Got it. Learning new way. So yeah, what happens is so at work I use a Linux system and I want to switch to neovim just because I like it. So I like working around with a bunch of editors and I like to try out editors and see which fits for me. Uh, VS Code is good. In VS Code also I use Vim motions. So I'm used to using Vim motion. I'm just not used to using neovim as a default editor, right? And I want to embrace that a little bit more. Is the primary reason why I'm sticking with neovim and learning neovim also while I'm learning Mastra, or we're creating something with Mastra, right? Um, that's the primary reason, man. Nothing else. I hope I satisfy your question in that, right? VS Code is good. VS Code with Copilot is good. I can add Copilot to my new Vim, and I can use Copilot directly. I have not done that yet on my home machine. On my work machine, I have, but I've disabled it later on because I want to just code. I just want to type out things and not get autocomplete. It's good to have autocomplete. I'm not against it. I'm using Cursor and the new Kiro by AWS also at work for well certain things, right? Not as a primary medium, but yeah. So that's it. That's the simple answer. That I just want to learn. I like to experiment with a lot of editors and try to find a place where it fits my need more accurately, and that's it. So I'm not seeing any messages that will come up, right? Yeah, right. All right. So we were gonna. I know I want to use Tmux, and there is an alternative for uh I forgot his name, right? Tmux for Windows. Tmux for Windows. I forgot what's it called. It's something. Bo, 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 bo. Universe, yeah. not WSL. I forgot what's it called. I want to install that. I like Tmux a lot. Uh, but I'm a default guy also at the same point. Um, I used to work in WSL a lot when I used to code on this machine more often. But ever since I switched to a new drive, it's just from a 512 GB to like a 2 terabyte drive. Um, I have not enabled WSL. Shocker. But also, it was during a period where I was not coding a lot at home. Recently picked up coding back at home. Um, right, and that's it. I will at some point set up WSL on the system again. Cinder, not Cinder. It's something like Winster or something. I don't know. It's not this one. But yeah, I used to do that. Tmux is good, but wins. Wisdom, yes. Wisdom. I was using Wisdom at some point on this system with Windows. Um, haven't got back. Yes, yes, Rajvardhan. I'm just gonna call you Raj. But going back to this, I want to see the signature of this. I have to create tools from Mastra core, and then it's just a simple signature of description, input schema, output schema, execute will be what my final method is going to be, right? And then I can write all the other methods over it. All right. That's good. That's some good. Actually, let's just copy those things from here, right? It's this repo has a lot of jargons because Mastra comes up with a lot of things which are not necessarily good. I'll just copy this. I'll yank it, and I will. All right. Face tone equal to read. There is supposed to be intelligence with neovim, from what I understand, but it's not working for me. All right. So one thing I miss from like the tmux or other identifiers of the time is I was able to do this, and I was able to just zoom into it, which I no longer am able to do. Create tool is gonna be this signature ID description. So this should get the. So this is supposed to get the facial expression, a photo of me essentially, right? And I'm using a external webcam, so it should be able to use my system camera to just click a photo of me. And I want to give that to LLM and be like, hey, what's happening over here, right? Let's see how much does that work. Again, I'm not defining what exactly I'm doing over here. I get that, right? Dun, 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 dun. ID is going to be is to description. So I think my LSP is broken for TypeScript. That's the thing. If it's not loading IntelliSense, because it's identifying as a TypeScript file, but I'm not getting any IntelliSense in it. This tool will get you a photo Ideally, I want to make it a video, complete live streaming thing, but let's start with just a photo of user. Right, I will define the input. Where input schema. It has to be input schema and it has to be a Zord object, and output schema as well as to be a Zord object. And I don't know what I'm going to return. So I will take a pause on this, right? I will take a pause on this and I will rather um, just define it as a blank schema is going to be a sort of object and a blank object for now. I forgot to add a comma. God damn. I don't think so. It's just neovim. TypeScript LSP is bad. Even if you're working on like VS Code, TypeScript LSP is just bad. Trivision from MMCA. Oh damn. No. Honored, but no. Let's get into the web API things, right? Excalibur. All right. So guys, feel free to wait. What's happening? You're not able to see the YouTube chat. Is it? No, you're able to see it. All right, fine. I was gonna talk about the web API schema. Let's go to WebMD. See which is a better way of doing it. I have to have HTML markup. I don't want to get HTML markup. Ugh. Wait, is HTML required? What's happening? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Camera honorable capture camera. You have a canvas element into your capture device. Do 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 do. Streaming canvas. What's happening? What's even? This tool is just gonna get the photos and be done with it. Just gonna be done with it. It's not gonna start streaming it. Can I stream? Take picture. Take picture. Is gonna be canvas. I'm putting it on a canvas and then taking a frame out of it. Wait, why that? Why that? Which camera are you going to, my friend? Which camera are you going to? I have no clue. Yo, what's up, Ane? God knows. I used to do this at some point. I completely forgot about it. Webcam API, JavaScript. JavaScript PHP is so wrong, but fine. I do use Linux on my work laptop, but on this machine at my home, I use this laptop for more than just coding. Um, I also play games on it, and I know with Steam Deck and Proton gaming is supported on Linux. I'm just not on train with it right now. Um, right, and I was gonna say this. Also, this. the recording and stuff is a little difficult. Audio stuff is a little difficult on Linux. With Windows, it just works. So I'm sticking to Windows. And hey, it's good to tackle a entire operating system just to make your code work, right? It's fun. All right, all right. Let's do one thing, right? Accounts get. I'll have to hook it up with. I'll have to hook it up with. Uh, get photo. I'll say get photo would be my method, right? It's gonna take nothing. It's gonna take a comment maybe. I don't know. It won't take anything. We can figure the schematics out later on, right? Ah, the flex. Oof. On work machine, I use. I'm not a hyper tuning guy with my configs and stuff like that, right? Even on work, I just use base Ubuntu, base jammy. Just stick with it. Um, that's it. That's it. Even my neovim setup is pretty clean. It is. I just set it up with like Kickstart, and that's about it. So I got my LSPs working. Um, Apparently they were working. It's not no longer working for. If you let me check if there is a way to just restart TypeScript LSP not working. LSP not working on neovim. I have a LSP working. How do I restart it? Just restart. Just restart. Somebody followed me on Twitch. Thanks so much. Who was it? Who was it? I want to know. Who was it? Who was it? Just give me a minute. I fucked up my system. I have lost my ability to set it up. But I don't get stats on my OBS also. Oh god damn. Alright, doesn't matter, man. I also have no clue how long I've been live at this point. I won't be staying for like a bunch of hours. I'll be here for like a couple of hours. To a pair of hours. A couple, just a plural single couple. I sound so stupid. Alright. Somebody created an account day before yesterday and they just followed me on Twitter today. So thanks, Alec Visha. Thank you for following me on Twitch. Also, people on YouTube, you feel free to hit me up and connect on subscribe. I'm planning to stream more over the weekends. Is my system froze? What's happening? Is that okay? I think I cannot get navigator. I cannot wait. Node.js get system camera get a photo. I know. I'm just gonna Google shit. My Twitter is gonna be Hunt092. I'm not very active on Twitter. I want to, but I am not. That's it. Light cam. I don't want light cam. There must be some system level configuration, right? There must be some. Node webcam is a library. Wait, this shouldn't be a library. I'm questioning that. I'm questioning that. Let's go to my friend Claude to get my answer. And yes, I do use Claude for. I am 20 to 4. I'm 24. Yeah. Feel free to drop down your age also. don't you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. OpenCV Node. Oh, OpenCV Node.js. That's good. I can use OpenCV. That will be better actually, and I can get a frame out of it. I don't want to use a front end right now. Probably I will at some point, but because this is an agent which is gonna work with a frame, unless and until I get a frame, I don't think the playground. Wait, where did I lost? This playground will support using. Does it support? I don't think so. It should support a streamable content.
buys it. I know how good it is.
Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Also, I have a secondary YouTube channel where I used to talk about tech way before I started my job. Maybe in like my second year of engineering. Uh, it's in the description. I have talked about SaaS and one or two of my projects over on that. Right. I was a. I'm still a very front end heavy developer, but I've explored backend. I'm now getting into Gen AI and stuff like that, making agentic system for my work. That's what I do. Some of it, not all of it. I don't think so. I'm able to get an actual. Um, I won't be able to stream over yet. Let's try because I don't have control. So yeah, I am planning to stream more often. I had picked up streaming a couple of months back. I did like a couple of weeks, and then I saw no friction, and I lost motivation. Recently, I got back into it. This is like my first stream on YouTube, by the way. I used to stream on Twitch, but I wanted to stream on YouTube as well because, well, uh, I share this on my WhatsApp and my Instagram, and all of my friends don't use Twitch. So it was difficult for them to get into the stream and, well, see me talk bullshit. So I just started streaming on Twitch. I figured out how to stream in two places at once, finally, and that's how I'm doing it. So yeah, I plan on streaming more often, mostly over the weekends, a couple of hours here and there. I have no schedule right now, nothing as such, but yeah. I'm just exploring. Could be much better, right? Uh, yeah. So on Twitch, I've been doing it, but again, Twitch doesn't save anything. I don't have any. I think I just hit like 10 followers on Twitch. I think I hit a goal recently. I think this is the Twitch panel, and I'm 75% there on Twitch. Right, I'm there. My goal is, by the way, 10 followers. It's not a lot. You can see this on my screen. Honestly, it's still visible on my screen. I keep forgetting what I've added on, and I just skip it. Right. Um, Coming back to this problem, if I can use Navigator on this UI, but I think I'm not able to. I shouldn't be able to because I don't have access to this UI within the code base, right? Uh, so we'll go with Node.js because, again, I hope this runs. This runs on Node.js. I know that much. I don't know what this cryptic language is, and yeah, let's just try. Let's just try this. It's 3 piece in production. I know that, man. I'm not caring. I'm not just gonna use this save shots to output JPEG. Is it gonna save? Is it gonna save on my local storage? I don't want a local storage. I want it in memory. I just want to pass it to my LLM and be like, hey, figure it out. What's the face doing? What does the face do? Right? Um, this is actually better. I can play. I can get a stream. I can get a canvas out of it. I can get all the context out of it. Yeah. All right, now let's stick with this. Let's stick with this. Let's try this. How does this happen? Right. I'll try calling this method out of just out of node, right? Um, I don't know what, why, why import. Okay, wait, no. Yes, 6 is gonna be a difficult name. Let me just check the library definition of node webcam. Right? Node webcam. So what's it gonna do? And this is not coming from node itself. It's a third party. Is there any inbuilt functionality? Have you attended any hackathons or won any? I have attended a bunch of hackathons during my college. After college, not really. Um, won any? I did some. I think I don't remember, man. There was the one in I guess my last hackathon in college, which I did with my friends. We're like the overpowered group of the college because one I was doing the UI and UI and stuff. There were my friends were masterminds in doing machine learning and stuff, and we three of them kind of created a simple project. It's named sarcastic.io. It's not there on the internet, and we came up with good ideas also, right? It was supposed to be a SaaS service to analyze how sarcastic your comments are, and you are able to plug it into like reviews and stuff and get flagging and everything. Like we created a business model out of it, and we came second. That was because it was an theme-based hackathon, and we don't really fit it. The theme didn't even didn't even fit that theme, but we still came second. So I guess that's it, right? Um, yeah. So during college, I did mostly UI. I very little worked on the backend. Uh, it's the boring part to work on the backend. That's what my problem is, right? Do 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 do. No, you will be surprised. I work at Persistent Systems, and I work in the innovation cell of that company, um, where I do front end heavy work, but I also do other things. And I take care of the DevOps over there. Oh, well, me and another colleague of ours within the team, and well, the Gen AI systems and stuff around the agentic systems. Um, I'm part of the discussion. I won't say I lead the discussion. My manager does that. But yeah, I'm part of the discussion. Node camera. Okay, let's go with OpenCV because I don't know what node. It was published 2 years back. It works on Ubuntu. Wow. What the hell? It's a node package which comes up, get the binaries from command camp. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I know, I know. Uh, I took it as my first job, and I'm still over there for about It's gonna be 2 years in like September. So I'm a freshie, but not really, right? And I just joined the company because, well, hey, I didn't want to take a big risk, and I heard good things about persistent. Um, kind of pigeonhole myself, but yeah, I made that call, and I'm getting to work on some great things. I have a good team to work with. It feels good, right? Um, the pay can be better, honestly though. I'm 24. Uh, I'll be 25 next year, so next March. Oh damn, man! And you use Arch. What the hell, man? Why do you need Arch in like ninth? What's even the point of using Arch in ninth? Why would you require Arch in ninth? I'm genuinely very confused right now. I agree with you. That's Cape. Okay, node with OpenCV. This is what I was looking for. Wait, you're doing PCB to CAT to anything. You're in ninth. You have no social life. You're doing this many things. What school do you go to? What school has a tech minister? And I've been so out of schools recently. One of my junior from college hit me up asking for a final year project, right? And I was so blank. I was like, I can tell you things, but I absolutely have no clue if you'll be able to pull it off. Yeah, Ubuntu, a little social life. Once you are in Linux, Trinity Convent. I have not heard of the school. Everybody thinks the school sucks. I thought my school used to suck, and then it went downhill more, right? So yeah, that's how things goes, man. Okay, I need to build up this also. Build tools. Oh, so sorry. It's in Vidisha. No idea. I know. I feel bad for you, Anna. If you're really in ninth and you're doing so many things, um, I feel bad for you because you have no life, my friend. You're in ninth. Get a life. Enjoy. Right? You can always build things on the side, right? Research papers are. I am against the thought of research paper. Like I am writing a white paper right now, but I don't like the idea of research papers unless you're doing something really groundbreaking, right? Hackathon and SF. Okay, I good. If you are enjoying this life, it's good for you. I probably wouldn't. I was doing YouTube. I started doing. Yeah, white paper, not as in crypto white paper. It's around something I do at my work. Um, around agentic system and using MCPs and stuff like that. It's not. Hey man, come on, come on. No, We are kind of crossing a line. If it's really in ninth, we cannot be doing this, right? We need to keep boundaries, guys. We need to keep boundaries. Alright, let's do these. I completely forgot what I was doing. Alright, let's install this. Can I control this? Can I do this? I don't know. Yeah, I hope you're kidding. Please do not ask those questions. I also need to install this over here, right? Also, no PM, no. Thank you. I got my non-techie friends and yeah, we chill. And that's good. That's good. Don't take so much pressure on mine, especially, well, it's a bit, it's a bit. So this is what my outlook is, right? I also see my cousins who are small who are doing this, and well, you guys are taking a bit of extra load on yourself way early in life, which you don't really have to, right? You don't have to. And I know there is competition, and there is huge amount of competition uh going on. It failed. What? Yeah, exactly. I agree with Raj on here. You're too productive for your age. You're gonna burn out sooner or later because, well, no matter how good you are and how active you are, how much stuff you're doing, right? Unless you have that undeniable hunger to get better, at some point you're gonna just sit and wonder, what am I even doing and why am I doing it, right? And that's gonna break you. That's gonna break you. I'm sorry to say that out. Yeah, but it's gonna be difficult. Good for you. I mean, good for you and congrats on winning Web3 Hackathon. I did get into. Hey man, he's doing a lot. He probably deserves the win, right? Yeah, me too, me too. I at some point of time I did try get into Web3. I did some stuff over there, and then well, just, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be completely honest. I just felt it's too much. You don't need to. There's some good ideas over there, but I don't see any long-term ideas that I will put into it, right? There might be a future which I'm not seeing with the three. Hot take, but yeah, I don't see real implementational value apart from, like, some basic stuff which it's already done. All right, we got one package installed. All right, let's see. We're gonna stick with Nord webcam, my friends. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna make this as a hyper level function. Photo save to data. Capture photo. I don't need it. Device is false. Save shot is false. This is as options. Write quality is 100. Delay is 0. Output is this location. Oh, I need to get into the docs of it. I don't understand what else can we do with it. I don't know what Hack Club is, but good for you. Pretty output. I need options of output. Can I have a in-memory output of some sort? PNG and JPEG are the two supported thing. Buffer. I can get a buffer. I don't need a FS webcam. That's mostly for Linux, yep. This documentation is absolute garbage. So I just have to deep dive into the code like I like to. I don't, but fine. I feel like Thanos at times, and I'm like, fine, I will do it myself. Um, do you provide in-memory data? I can just ask Copilot, but I'm not gonna. It's better to just go through this. Let's just go into index and see, right? Yeah. Capture is gonna take webcam to create options. Webcam or capture location callback. Callback is gonna be something which is gonna be useful. Hey, it's good, man. It's good. It's running at 23 is not that bad. Uh, it's never a lead time to learn about code. It's good. Well, you are, yeah. When you reach 18 point, you will get 3D point filter. I don't understand what you're saying, man. What? Absolutely what? So there are 5 people watching me right now? God damn, what are you doing? Oh, it's reduced to 4 now. I said just learn things from there is no age limit. Yeah, there is no age limit. It's good to learn about it. And was 18 point you will get a 3D. Okay, a 3D printer is good. At some point in my life I want to get a 3D printer so I can just print some bullshit things. Win32, Windows webcam, Win64, Windows webcam. Alright. This is the factory. Where's the options? I'm missing something. We did not read this code properly. Alright, we need the factory, we need the webcam, we need image, Snapchat. Options. Option is not defined as a type anywhere. That's why TypeScript is good. But alright, fine. I'm so disconnected from the chat right now. Wait, 17? Are you saying you're 17-year-old and you're in ninth? I'm so lost. Wait, 17 years are not in ninth. 17 years. I'm 23. I'm 24. I've been working for 2 years. That's 22. 4 years of engineering. That's 18. $17 points for what? What's 17 points for? So you're 14. All right. I'm so lost. What is the 17 points for? Alex and Econ are at open source. Open source is, yeah, it's currently going on. I want to follow it, but I'm also not really interested in following it anymore. I don't know. Highway for 3D printer. What? Am I missing something? What highway for 3D? Is this a thing? Is this a meme? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know what you're talking, my friend. Probably the age gap is coming. We have an age gap of 10 years. That's a decade. I did search it right now. Highway for 3D printer. Which one? Which one? All I say is 3D designs for roads and paper printing. Search what? What? 17 is okay. 17 points for highway 3D printer. Oh yeah, it certainly does because so if I were to stream during night, which I can barely stay awake at night beyond like 12. If I were to stream at that point, Twitch will get more views just because the amount of people on Twitch who will be more in general, or maybe late at night, not beyond 12, right? 8, 9 p.m. The demographics on Twitch is a little high, or especially people in tech, or just general folks over here, right? While on YouTube, a lot of people are here during the day. No, just let me know the keywords. YouTube blocks URL. So just let me know the keywords you're searching for. Also, I'm Brave, by the way. I do Brave search. I'm not de-googling myself, but again, the default. I stick with the defaults. Um, I completely forgot what I was supposed to do. Wait, am I able to see this on my chat? No. It's blink. It's blink, my friend. It's blink. Why? Why? Differential with don't I don't how do I can I click to reply? I wanna block. Okay, I'm gonna search highway. I'm gonna search highway. Hack club. I'm a bit so highway to under city. This is the thing. Teenager demoing hack club, scrapyard, Kathon. Get your parts. You're getting $350 to build what? A highway? Let the guy just share, right? Let him just share. What is highway? I don't even know what this means. A hardware grant program. To design any product you'll get. We will send you the parts. GitHub HQ. GitHub HQ. All right. Is you have a PR over here? Do you have a PR? Let's. What's your name, man? What's your name? Let me get. Let's do some deep research. What's your name? Is this you, Overlord Runt? No. I want to see your PR. I'm gonna review your PR. If even if I get, I don't know what this is about. I see a lot of HTML and Ruby in this. Hey, Ruby is a good language. Come on, man. Don't be like that. Ruby is also a good language. I did like 6 months of works in Ruby. Ruby on Rails, not Ruby. Anage Gen 112. Alright, let me search this. Let me search for Anage. Author. Why is there no filters? No, wait, what? I see no PR of yours. How do I search author? Can I search author based thing? Yep. Alright, we found you. Submissions are YML. Ooh, you failed the Ruby scan, my friend. But what? There is a scan. Why is there different? Don't they see what files are getting pushed? I'm pushing a YAML holy board. Let me search for holy board. Let's. Fuck. I forgot. We're gonna go deep down this guy, right? We're gonna go deep down this guy. There is journal remedy. What? SCH Use the how much time are you saving giving ALR instead of alright? You're doing a keyboard for yourself? Is that what you're doing? Like, I made a numpad and now I want to make a full freaking keyboard. So here I come. The switches is basic layout. I designed to a custom layout. It's gonna have a OLED display. I'm really scared of that shit. Using it for nothing. Alright. Is there an image here? Are you guys seeing an image over here? The basic thing and structure is gonna be. You don't rant. All right, doesn't matter. I want that 3D pointer. Good spellings will help, my friend. Yeah, we are going down that rabbit hole. We are deep down a rabbit hole. We're gonna be so deep. We're gonna find some turd. Sorry. No, that's with the SCH. It's kind of hectic, but I love the headache. Damn. Damn. I'm starting to learn new things. Use this as the final schematic. You can spell schematic correctly, but not printer. What's a pronter? God damn, I'm learning so much. What's a pronter? What's a pronter? Okay, hmm, I think that's cap. Am I using cap correctly? I don't know. R. So I don't know how to explain the PCB part like in journal, but rebuts. I took a ton of pictures. Choose, choose. All right. In short, I made this layout, basic layout, then you the SVG of layout to make sure you every single switch uh, aligns properly. So I did the first row, then the second, and then the rows. I use Fook for like the x-axis and book for the straight ones to keep it more organized. So like there are the images that I took during the process. What the hell? Dude, you need to learn to spell. Okay, I get that you're creating a keyboard. How is it a different keyboard? It's standardized. It's a quote. It's a QWERTY. Some spacing over here would be nice, my friend, because you're gonna jam those fingers. You should sleep. If you're slow in sleep, you should sleep. Or before raising the PR, just read through it. Make your goddamn changes. Oh my god, what the hell is this? Alright, fine. You spent 7 hours building a keyboard. Okay. So I made hate whole thing and done by all the wiring. It took me a while, but I was really good time. So yeah. Then I added some silk layer and here's the SS of it. I use Arch by the way. Yeah. He has 37 repos. Are they all MD files? You have you do, damn it. The fucking Kung Fu Penguin. Is this your I'm a coffee addict who do coding sometimes. Who do coding you do coding sometimes? What I'm working on. I'm obsessed with AI right now. I'm working on the scrapyard Vidisha. Okay. Who do coding so that's diabolical. who do coding sometimes. I'm so sorry to call you out like that. And it's a popular repo. Yeah, 404 contribution USB hub. So you're deep into, I guess, hardware, right? That's good. Open the repo tab. All right. I know. I believe him. I believe him. Keeb, Keeb V2. This is in C. So it's again the keyboard. What's with these keys? What's the hardest part about it? It's the same. What the hell am I saying? Just do it. All right. Print Legion. It's a 11. It's a 12,000 rupee printer. Keyboard. 12,000. 12,000. What's it gonna do? Write the code on its own? What? Why? Who require that? There's some good. My phone's dying, by the way. I should put it in charging somewhere. I don't know where. I don't have enough ports to charge my phone. What damn? You know what? You know what? This gives me some money laundering vibes. $12,000, 12,000 rupee. Honeypad. That sounds so wrong. Honeypad. What is honeypad? I should read this stuff, right? Why did I make it? Why did I make it? Alright. As I already made a hackpad. So I wanted to make sure the submission is not hackpad. This is easier project for highway. So I made the I made this project because I use 60% keep. It does not. This amount of jargons is gonna make me go crazy, my friend. I'm just trying to. I know. This looks weird. I unplugged my camera. I am so sorry. Oh my god. Am I still visible? I am stuck. Am I? Am I still stuck? Am I still stuck? Oh my god. Yep, my face is gone. I started recording. Fuck. What's happening? It's going downhill, my friends. It's gone, my friends. Alright, I'm back. I think I'm back. I'm back. Am I back? Am I back? Am I back? I'm back. Yes, I'm back. It's alright. Alright. I tried to put my phone on charge because it's down to 5%. I'm using my phone as a primary chat screen. I'm poor, my friends. Uh, you have a rotary encoder, 17x keys. What's this? P? Oh, I think this is it. Why? Why? React. Oh, React plus Vite. Have you made any changes in this code? I'll be surprised if I made any changes in this code. Marvel Cinematic Universe MCU. What? That's nothing. This okay, fine. Web 3 CF app. It's in TypeScript. Let's go. Web third web next startup. Oh, the third wave library. Alright, alright. Again, I think this is his base. What's an MC? Keep full forms, my friend. You're talking to someone who has not really worked in hardware at all. You're a folk of blueberry. Why? So many bobas. Oh, you must like boba. Let's go boba. Boba Hack Club. It's about it's about the Harry Potter. Oh, the Harry Potter, my friend. Made with love by an agent. It's your choice. That shows what we truly are. What is this image? I hope it's not something I can't show. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. That's me and it's me and Rajwardhan Singh and his rapper. This is 37 rappers. 9 style. Hey man. Oh, my friend, how old are you? How old are you? Shoe website. What you have an image of a shoe and there's something down there saying this is a shoe. Please don't be that. Okay, you have man, woman, kids, sale, man, woman, sales, streaker. Like, why? What's with the half-eaten words, man? Like air. Oh, god damn. Oh, you have a slider also. Are you pulling? Is there anything which is linked locally? The CS is linked locally. All right, I won't be. You know what? You know what? Don't even- this is no this. Why is this for highway? What the hell is highway? I'm still confused. What is this whole thing? Why are people just randomly posting some random Harry Potter faces over here going, huh? You have hosted this. You have hosted this. God damn. God damn. Okay, nice. Good shoe. Uh, does the shoe change? Yeah, it changes. Nice. Good background, by the way. View details. Okay, it's a single page. That's it. That's it. Nothing clicks. What's this button? Why? Which link are we talking about? Wait, did I click on some wrong link? This is the one link, right? Okay, I'm gonna give you props. I'm gonna see the CSS. This was 6 months back. You were still 14. Hey, hi, Big Shot. I didn't see your message. I'm so sorry. Honey, just stop giving me the URL. I'm not gonna go to the URL, man. Guys, you don't know CSS, man. CS is good. Okay, you're using custom properties. Ah, all right. Wait. Color, main color, other color, second color. What? What's with the naming? Huh? A little bit of the main color, the main chick, the sidekick, side. I should drink some water. That's been babbling, man. The main chick, the side chick, and the other chick. Yeah, that's how you name. That's how you name it, man. I like that. H1 font. Is it going to be only used for H1? Is my question. My biggest question, Ane, at this point, is it going to be just used for H1, and is this going to be just used for the paragraph type? I'm gonna scroll. I'm gonna scroll. I'm gonna scroll. And if that's the case, you are changing the H1 font. It's an H1. You change it. What? Okay. It's a media query. All right. All right. All right. But it is only for the H1. You could have just set it globally. You could have set it here. Your H1 is gonna be your H1 font. Just remove Y and keep it with I. Because was it the P font? So why P font? So why P font? I mean, you're using it for an anchor. P font is being used for an anchor and a P. And you change it from 1.1 trim to 1 trim. So damn, so big change. Well, it's some big short thing, man. We have gone down a big tangent. I was gonna work with. I was gonna create. I was gonna create an agent who's gonna take your photo and then analyze it and say you're ugly. But my God, what's happening? We went down a big rabbit hole, Rajwardhan. We just went, huh? I'm gonna keep this tab open. Anything that happens in chat, I'm just gonna switch to this tab and be like, huh? Alright. We are done with Ane. You want me to visit this website? I'm gonna visit this website. I hope they don't come back and get me. Get free stickers. Oh yeah, I like some stickers. I have some stickers laying besides my table right now, which I am too lazy to apply anywhere. Oh, they're just gonna send you. They're just gonna send. Hey, and hey, you are breaking the law. You are breaking the law. Have you referred to your guardian about this? Have you? Is there an age group limit over here? What is this? Is this legit? I don't care about legit. What's the anybody 18 or below? Okay. You are eligible for the hackathon. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. 18 or below. You're calling them to SF, man. Is built for teenagers. Teenagers. So, I don't question that. I don't question that at all. Let's look at this. The tire is coming out like it's like a foot coming out. Like you're just going like, huh? Like me, I don't know how to do it. I'm not gonna get up and do it. Hey, Peak. Uh, you're asking me or you're asking Ane? Who are you asking to? I'm 24 by the way, and I'm a full-time GenAI software developer. I think that's my title. I'm not sure of my title. My title gives on paper is software developer, software engineer, but role-wise it's something different. I work with GenAI on a daily basis. I'll be a senior soon. Oh, for high schoolers 18 and wait, then why the sticker asking you if you are above 18? 18 or under? I misread it. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I cannot get the stickers then. I'm gonna ditch it. I don't want the stickers by the way. I'm just gonna put it out there. Gallery. I said this is the project gallery. I thought it's gonna be the images. I'm not gonna show that. You can probably find my LinkedIn somewhere in my socials. It should be in my description somewhere. I'm not gonna do that, man. I'm done. I'm I'm done with this tangent right now. Like, let's get back to writing some actual code. I got that. I got that. I got that. I got that part that they're made by some hack hack clubbers. That's not something which I think I would have ever said in my life. My phone's about to die. It's at 2%. I should just make it short. So I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna do this. Then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do Yesh. And I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna do this. I think so. I'll be back, guys. Alrighty, I'm back. I'm back. All right. I forgot to close the door. I will be back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back, guys. I'm back. I switched to some other laptop as my primary chat screen now. So we're good. We're good, man. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's cool? Big shot. Big shot coming here with some big expectation, right? You know Python? Oh my god. You know the Python basics, my friend? Go ahead and learn about Python Advanced. Get a project in your line, understand what you want to build something, right? Build something. There are some good open source Python libraries, something which excites you, especially if you're going for GSOC, right? And accordingly start contributing to it, start learning about it, start learning about new concepts which are in Python based on that repository as a main source of inspiration, right? And that's how you get good. That's it. That's how simple it is. Alrighty, I am back to seeing my own stream. I just want to see how it's happening. What is it looking good, guys? Is it looking good? Does it look good? Say it does, please. Appreciate it, man. I think we got 7 people. 7 people watch. 5 people watching. We went down 2 very quickly. That's fine. All right. I have lost my context of what I was gonna do. So we're gonna start again with clicking a photo of myself, if that's even possible. Beyond anything, right? I'll switch back to I switch back to my own camera. My YouTube is still might be showing that I'm on break. I don't know. I haven't checked anything. All right, we are good. We are good. Ah, 144 people have watched this channel. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a lot of people. I was just seeing my stats for a bit, and oh my god. I don't think so. Any of my videos which I've uploaded over here, which are shit on this channel, by the way, um, are that good, you know. Um, all right. I also, how long has it been? I should be taking a break somewhere around the 3 hour mark. Um, so I don't know. I don't know. Well, let's just see. Let's just see how long I've been streaming. YouTube doesn't tell me shit. Let's go to Twitch. It's been 2 hours that I've been streaming. So let's go. Let's get back into writing actual code, right? So yeah, we're gonna do this. And I remember I was reading the code to see if I can get this in memory. Yeah, it saves sorts in memory. Where does it save it? Local buffer P64. I think I can get base 64 going. I can get some base 64 going. I can pass in ops. So this is where I created the first object, and then also passing some ops. Get list of cameras. Damn. Damn. Okay, let me see. Let me see a list of cameras. Can I get both my cameras? It doesn't. Is the stream going still fine? I don't know. Is it good, guys? Am I mucking something up? Do let me know. Do let me know. Appreciate it. Also, I guess this will out which webcam I'm using. Maybe might be. Would be. I'm just going to go to source. Wait, no. Windows. I forgot Windows. Can I just burn it? Can I burn it? Can I burn it? Oh, oh yeah, I'm on TypeScript. I forgot that. Not bad, not bad, shit, my friends. I was trying to get ChatGPT to make an application for me to send my roster to my friend over WhatsApp. I put in the data from my Google Sheet. Any advice? From wait, you got to get some data from your Google Sheet and well do some transformation over it and then send it to WhatsApp, right? I'm not sure why you're doing it through ChatGPT, but it should be as simple as well calling your Google Sheets API. I don't think so. Google has kept it open anywhere. Google Sheets API, or there is also scripts within Google Sheet, right? There is Google Sheet API which you can use to get all your data. It's gonna require a key probably. I think so. It should. It's not. It's not. Name. I'm not gonna upgrade. Yeah. So you can use the sheets to get the data of your sheet, particular sheet which you have, your sheet ID, your again sheet ID, and your sheet ID. We just need some shit IDs, man. And well, do some transformation over it. Maybe use pandas for it. I'm not sure what output does it give, but if you're sticking in Python, use some pandas to do some processing over it, and then just call your WhatsApp API. It should WhatsApp business API. You will require your WhatsApp API to have a business account. From what I understand, it's a business tier only, and you can call it directly from here. So that's it. I'm not sure why you're doing it through ChatGPT. Don't wipe code this. But it is a pretty simple use case. Or you can, if I have a Google sheet.google.com. Is that not it? Sheet dot. Is that not it? It's docs.google.com. I'm aware. But you can come over here and you can write your own Wait, did it remove the script part? Yeah, there is app script. You can just write an app script over here, which is well JavaScript, and you can set some trigger for it, and you can call it. This is somewhat free from what I remember last time, but yeah, you can do it over here, right? You can write a basic function to add some libraries and stuff to do the calling and everything, and you can do that. Either or works. Here you'll have to just call your WhatsApp API to send a message. That's about it. And I hope you're still here. Because we're gonna lose them. I forgot what we did. I was gonna do this. Did I not save this? We got undefined. Wait. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, I used to full stop. My bad. Man, LSP should work. Is it storing it here? Oh, sorry. There. I mean, there. It's storing a photo somewhere. It's here. I can see it. It's here. I'm not gonna open it. I don't know how good the quality is. Yeah, should I open it? I don't want to open it. Should I open it? Why is it not printing? I'm confused about that. It should be printing, right? It's printing undefined. What's undefined over here? Did I do some kind of mistake? Did I fuck up something? Did I do it? Did I do it, Papa? Oh, we're getting 1, 2, 3. Wait, 3. Oh, what? Wait, what? 3. I have 2 cameras. I have 2. Oh, where's the third coming? Where is the third one coming from? I'm so goddamn confused, man. I'm so confused. Bit base 64. Callback should be base 64, and that's how you have the buffer. We got the buffer, my friends. We got a buffer. And it's gonna give you base 64, and base 64 can be passed to our LLM, and then LLM can make some kind of alright. My idea is clear now. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna remove this code for now. Right, I'm gonna get this image. I'm gonna make this change inside the base 64, and wait, is it written? It's within the function. All right, so this should return it. It should return the data. So I'm not curious how my folder looks, but I have not opened it. So let me open the folder, and I will show you what's happening over there. Right? I'll open it. I hope I'm sounding good. I'm babbling a lot. I just opened my games folder. All right, nice, nice. I don't know what that means, but nice. I think you're getting your keyboard made. Is that true? For a 12,000 rip off of a keyboard, you are gonna pay 835. I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. I'm gonna say it. What's the kit? Micro. So the small one which we saw. My fairy lights are coming into the play. Alright, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you what the image is gonna look like. No, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna do that. Just be honest. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, my friend. So, alright. Am I out of the camera now? Am I still in? Am I out? Is this crooked? I think it's crooked. It's straight now, right? I'm gonna get close to you. I'm gonna get close to you. What's passing next to you? So sorry. I'm just gonna adjust myself a little bit. Uh, all right, that's great. That's great. I like your optimism. I look great. I have not brushed my hair. It's just yeah. All right. Let's get back. So I'm getting my image. I got a sense of what my image is gonna look like, right? Uh, Now this is gonna return a B64. I don't know this what type of B64. The input is gonna be nothing. It's gonna be nothing at all. Maybe an event. I don't know. It's gonna be nothing at all. Also, let's up the resolution by a bit, right? Let's make it something 1920 by 1080. Yeah, you're still a bit. I'm so sorry for being mad. I'm so sorry for being mad. Oh no. I promise. Alright. Alright. I'm not fucking around. I'm not fucking around. To the 6 people who are watching me, I will appreciate if you guys will subscribe if you haven't already on YouTube, and people on Twitch. Uh, do follow. Do give a follow. It's not gonna cost you anything. It's gonna be an 835 rupees of your customs. Also, I know my stream on both ends are gonna be a little disassociated when I am replying to people on Twitch or when I'm replying to people on YouTube. I don't know how to add the chat as an overlay. I'm gonna figure it out probably by the next time I'm doing that. Um, Also, it's gonna be good. Like, it's gonna be good then. Hey, thanks, honey. Um, do. I was gonna wonder. Yeah, because it's gonna return the data. Like, yeah, return data from here, and this method is gonna return the data as B64 your console log. Get ready to get your minds blown. because B64 is so big, and, and it is for 10, 1920, 1910. It should be 1920. 1080 by 1920, right? So, Prashant, good question. If you go through my channel, I'm getting a call. I'll be back, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm back. So sorry, I got a call out of nowhere. Um, okay, I'll switch to the screen to answer Prashant. So the purpose of this channel, if you visit anything uh beyond yesterday, beyond behind today, it's a channel which it started during my school, and I was doing let's plays, and later on I started doing some review, some random comic video. Uh, the purpose of me streaming right now is pretty much I just want to spend some time learning, doing some personal projects, and I'll have fun. No profit or fame. I will love some side money. I won't say no to side money. Fame, I'm not looking for. I would rather be not famous. But well, as things goes, right, if you're earning money off this thing and it's enough to be substantial, uh, there is some fame associated with it. So yeah, it's inevitable, I guess. But Yeah, I would appreciate some side money coming out of this thing, but it's not the primary reason. It's mostly because I used to get very lazy when I started to write code at home, because after office, uh, it was more of a drag for me, and I wanted a source of, well, putting out my creativity out, and also working on some interesting things which I want to do with. Right. So it's not just going to be about code. Sometimes I'm going to come over here and just play some games. Right. I'm going to play a game like Timberwolf, for whatever reason, or I don't want to be that guy, but I want to play Valorant. I'm gonna be very bad at it. Stuff like that. Yeah. So I guess that's your answer. Mhm. Sup, bro? It's gonna be a strip break. Mr. Duckster. Good name. I like your name. What you doing? So I am working on creating an agent, a stupid agent, which is gonna take a photo of me and it's gonna analyze me and be like, "Hey, you look ugly." Yeah. So this is something which I wanted to make up. I did talk to some of my colleagues, um, and I have named it. I have so nicely named it as Pookie AI. To bring up the bigger sense of what it's gonna do is it's gonna analyze. So yeah, here's the tagline, right? Okay, this is on the internet. Nobody can steal this idea from me. Uh, this is gonna be, ना मैंने कुछ बोला ना तुमने कुछ सुना, बस बातचीत हो गई. AI. It's gonna be Pookie AI. So I'm using Mastra as my primary um, agent framework. It's also me learning about Mastra. Uh, this is a TypeScript-based, TypeScript opinionated framework to create agents and stuff like that, right? Um, for the UI, I'm not really sure. Right now, I'm just working on the agent. Once I made the agent, I'll try wrapping it over with some UI, maybe but just React. I work with React primarily. I want to do it with Svelte. I might do it with Svelte. It's been a long time I've worked with Svelte, and ever since Runes came out, I have not worked with Svelte. So I want to go back to that also. So I might go ahead and do that, but right now it's just Mastra. We're just working with Mastra TypeScript. Hey, thanks, Prashant. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So just to make it simplified, right? I'm just gonna use some use some TypeScript based framework to create my agent, and then again go with some JavaScript opinionated framework known as Svelte to create my UI, and I'm gonna mishmash them together, and that's gonna be Pookie AI. Hey, good. Python is also good. I've worked with Python. I don't like Python because I'm a more of a functional programming kind of a guy. All right, to better understand agents, right? Think of, so you guys have used ChatGPT and Claude and Gemini and stuff like that, right? And DeepSeek even. Those are generalistic, right? You ask it something, it gives you answer, right? To make them more opinionated and much more better, uh, is what agent is. To make it very simple in terms, right? So your agent is well powered by GenAI, one of the models. Maybe I'm using Gemini for my use case because the free tier is good. Uh, but yeah, you pair them up with tools which are able to do specific actions, and your Gen AI, your agent is now having the brains with your Gen AI. It has ability to do things with the tools, and it figures out what's to be done and how it's to be done with those tools and some system promptings and everything, right? That's what agent is, right? So this is the simplest definition. It goes way beyond that, but this is the most simplest definition of it. So right now I'm working on creating a face tool, which is gonna get my face. Right. Um uh, so I'm doing a bunch of things, to be very honest. And there's one thing I've also got to drink some water. Stay hydrated, my friends. Uh I have an account on Discord, but I'm not very active on Discord. Sure, man. I would love to mentor, but I don't know if I will be able to keep aside as much time. Right? It will be mostly just advices which I give you, but I will love to. What are you interested in? Number of users. All right. So you're still doing diploma, so you'll be going into like engineering second year directly, right? You're pretty young then. You're what, 18 now? Yeah, you started early. You have started earlier than when I have started, right? That's an advantage you have over me. All this time, my code wasn't even completed. Learning about blockchain versus learning about AI. It's a tough call, right? People are gonna be opinionated about that stuff. If you ask me personally, blockchain is good, but I don't really see a lot of practical use case with blockchain beyond stuff which has already been done, right? With money, securing like document sharing and stuff like that. Apart from that, I don't really see a big concept. I don't see a purpose of blockchain beyond that scope. Uh, that's why I would rely towards AI, but also I'm working in AI as a full-time job. So this is the gonna be that part, right? Sync is gonna be getting some context. So, Hmm. Yeah, it's fine, man. It's thank you for joining. You can subscribe for any future stream which I do, so you can get a notification. Also, leave a like if you found anything good. Yeah, thanks, Mr. Duxter. Hey, thank you so much. So there are a few videos on this channel which are from like my school and my engineering days, which are mostly going to be gameplays. There are crappy videos. There is also a second channel I have. It's the link is put in my description, where I've talked about more programming oriented channel. Again, I did for a couple of months and then I kind of just disappeared off internet. I took a big break, especially with my job starting and my engineering coming to an end. And after 2 years, I'm back. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. So you can see there is no setup. I am relying on this beautiful light to just light me up and whitewash me completely. Uh, I'm gonna keep it a little sober. I don't have a lot of light on my face. My room is oriented in such a fashion that this table is in a corner and there is no light coming from front, so it's not really good looking. I might invest in some lights down the line to make this pretty looking, right? So I have a consistent lighting somewhere at least. All right, thanks, Ane. See you. Bye bye. I want to keep it async just cause why not? All right. I'll also get some context out of it. If ever is required, I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna let me just switch on to see if there are any more new messages. Oh, I've completely forgot about not sharing my screen. I forgot. All right, I'm getting a call. I'll be back. I lost my muted. I'm sorry. Back. I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back. I had forgot that I'm not sharing my screen, and I was talking to the chat while I was making some changes, and I forgot about it. You guys didn't see any changes which I made. Also, do let me know if this transition is annoying as fuck. Uh, I'll switch to a simple cut if that's That's better. For the 4 people who are watching, thank you for staying with me for so long. I don't know if you are here since the beginning of time or you have just come, but thank you so much for joining. I'm not ending the stream just yet. I'll finish up working this tool, um, seeing if the schematics are correct or not, right? Uh, you can say hi in the chat. Don't feel free to walk. You know. Mhm. I'm just gonna drink some water. We're gonna take some break. We're gonna take some break, my friends. Hey, thanks, Prashant, for joining. Bye bye. Laters, laters. I appreciate it, man. Take your time learning, right? You'll be you should be able to do that Google Sheet thing very nicely. All right, bye bye. I am clicked out of my system. No, my bad. We'll just get weather to one more time. My God, this is getting so slow. My fuzzy find is not working. I don't know what. I don't know why. I don't know why, my friends. Why? I'm gonna return it anyway, so it should be fine. And I know I'm using my mouse to scroll around on neovim also. Big problem, my friends. Right. I think I'm fine with this getting called like this. I will just give a comma and bed. I should do a curly brace, right? I should do this. I'll add some other layers of things beyond it, but this makes it. I'm not sure what's happening. I must have made some syntax error somewhere. Here is one of them. Yep. I wondered what I did wrong. And I think I should be syntactically correct. How do I run print here? Huh? New format. Alright. So, this on the wrong screen here. I've been lied to. Nope. I think I can't. I have to set it up somewhere. Let me try running this. What the? No, not this. No, 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 no. Can I do one thing? Just for this because I want to critify myself. It's all over the place. Hey, I didn't save it. Wait. That's my problem. Wind takeoff. With the people on the internet. I hope you guys are having a good time. You're not doing some silly stuff like I am. Because this should be not here. Oh my god. I'll do this in this fashion and I'll do the word describe. And then I'll do this. Yeah, this makes it so much better. What's the problem with this? No, it won't give you anything. How is this a promise? Oh, wait. But I'm returning. I return data. What's the TypeScript error? I should have written that code. You know what? I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna be the lazy fuck that I am. I'm gonna ask Copilot to review this code. Do I have Copilot? I have Copilot. I don't want the release notes, please. Review the code. Yeah, I trust it. Ask. This should be asked. Not. Cancel. I don't want no AI to review my code. I can do it myself. I just wanted it to prettify it for me, but no, I don't deserve it. Alright. So this method is gonna taking nothing, but it will for a fact return a string, which I hope it does. Now this doesn't have type definition, so I'm gonna do a string, and why is my LSP not working? If I not set up LSP properly, I'm a bit focused right now. I'm sorry for that. Wait, no active client? Why is it difficult? Wait, what's happening? Let me do sure. Zoom.lsp.start. Why are there no LSPs? I have a tree seeder, right? But there is no LSP setup. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's happening? Did I mess up something? I'm not gonna just search. Kickstart should be uh, I installed it on my Windows. It should be a PowerShell. Right. Wait. Telescope brings us. This is using planetary. Yeah, it's gonna come from here. Oh, no, not added LSP. I see no LSPs. Why is the thing? Okay, I have to update Mason then. I'm using Mason. This has Mason, right? Yeah. Okay, so I'll take help of help Mason. Wait, so not install. Oh, I've not installed anything. My God. My bad, my bad. I thought I'd. Hey, 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 Anu. Isn't it auto updates? Hey, Anu, what's up? What's up? Welcome back, my friend. I just realized I have not installed any LSP on this system. This is useless. And I'm so confused. Hmm, should be enough for now. We can even guys down. Flower. All right, LSP is working. Let's go. It's not gonna be an async method. It's gonna be a normal method, man. Event type is neither. Why is it void? It is returning a value. I'm so lost right now, so I'm just gonna do this. Alright, man. All the best. I am still haggling around what the hell is the type definition problem. Did I take the wrong LSP? I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna check. I don't need Klein. Klein is not for me. TypeScript and its type definitions are always gonna be a problem. Context of zip the promise. Hey, what is not a promise B64 image. Oh yeah, I did define types, right? I defined a type. Did I do something wrong in comparison? I'm back to It's not about the bug. It's just I am a bit lost. Oh, I understand what the problem is. God, I'm returning it as is. It should be inside like V64. I should have the data. And I should fix the error it has over here. Why is this returning a void? I'm gonna do something very stupid right now. Let result is equal to this. Why not just make result gonna return but I'm not gonna update the reference of it. I'm just gonna update the value of it, right? And I'm gonna do this with it dot b64 is equal to data, and this will be deleted, right? Now what's the problem? Not assignable to context. It should return a promise. All right, so I'll make this a sync. I'll update this. It doesn't make any difference at all, but I think it should stop its own generated. This should finally stop the. This has been made better now. Okay. All right. It's been how long now? I have no idea. Let me. Alrighty, guys. It's been around 3 hours that I've been up. I'm gonna take a break. It's near to 1, 2 now. God damn. So I'm gonna take a break. I will probably be back tomorrow. I'm not gonna work on this on my part time now. I've made the tool, so the tool has been made. This is a tool. It should return a photo of the webcam, and it should work out. We're gonna try it with the stream also, if we can get that. But for now, I'm importing Node webcam directly in this function. I'm getting image out of it, P64. I'm entering that. It is not by any standard a good code, but right now it works. I'm gonna clean up this code in the next time we're gonna stream, right? So I'm gonna take a break. It's been fun streaming with you guys. Thank you so much for joining, right? And oh, I'm so sorry I didn't check your message, Tunisian. I hope. Are you still online? I'll answer that question for you, and then I'll off the call, right? I'll take that as a no. All right. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.